Okay, so let me talk to you a little bit about just numbers in general. Okay, now we work with numbers all the time, but really they can be broken down into two major categories or groups. All right, rational, right? That is a very large group of numbers. We're going to talk about those in a minute. And if they're not rational, they're irrational. All right, and those you've actually worked with quite a bit, but you don't really know that we call them this. So that's the purpose of this video. But remember, that group is a very small group of numbers. All right, so most numbers we talk about are rational. We're going to take a look at that right now. All right, rational numbers are all whole numbers, every whole number, positive or negative, even zero. Right, here's some examples for you right here. 2, 100, negative 58, 900, negative 30,000, 0, and every other whole number you could name, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, all those are rational numbers. Every fraction and every mixed number is also a rational number. I mean, look at this, right? All of these are rational numbers here. Fractions, mixed numbers, positives, negatives, etc. All right? Even decimals, ready? Almost all the decimals, most decimals, are also rational. Repeating decimals are rational. Terminating decimals are rational. Well, what are repeating decimals? Remember, repeating decimals are these ones where they repeat. The first one, 0.1, one's repeating. The second one, 56, 56, 56, that's repeating. And the other one, 315, 315, 315, that's repeating. Remember, a lot of times we put those with a bar over those to indicate they are repeating. Terminating are just ones that end. If something terminates, it ends. So these are examples of terminating decimals. Any decimal that ends. 0.5, 0.8, 3.2, 7.6, negative 0.25, anything that's there, those are rational numbers. Okay, so real quick, what are irrational numbers then? It's everything that's not in that group, which is not very many things, right? They are decimals. Okay, so if you find a decimal, but it has to be a certain type. And sometimes when you look at them, you don't even see the decimal part. Here's why. Because they're only certain types. They are the which types? What are they? They're non-repeating and non-terminating, which means they don't repeat and they don't end. All right, so you've actually worked with some of these. So that's going to be the first question here is, do you know or can you think of a number that's irrational? That's, again, a decimal that doesn't repeat and doesn't end. All right, so we're going to pick that up on the next video after this.